What's up, developers and problem solvers? Rod checking in. I wanted to bring you guys another video today. And today we're going to talk about why you should never become a WordPress developer. And yes, I mean never. Let me explain. First of all, guys, in the earlier on, when web development was pretty young and there wasn't any of these web page designers and all this GUI stuff that allowed people to actually go in and actually drag and drop elements on a page where you can visually see it. That's relatively new, guys. That used to be done painstakingly manual by manual CSS, tables, images, and just meticulous, just dropping stuff on there, either be code. It was not a easy experience. It was actually a painful experience, and anybody who had the balls to do it or the patience got paid a lot of money. This is where web developers came in and made a killing early on, and they was paid just like a standard back-end developer today, because it was so technical and time consuming to get a website to look professional that most people didn't want to deal with it. So they just paid them to do it, and life was good. Well, as technology start to advance and people start to want to use the web more and more, and these software companies got wind of this and start to create software, these drag and drops, the Wix, the WordPress, the Shopify's, the standard page builders, so that the average person didn't need to hire a dedicated developer just for the visual of a website. And that's where you start to bring in platforms like WordPress and all these other sites that allows you to do content management, blogging, all this. Now this start to hit the scene. So earlier on, WordPress was a foreign concept. People didn't understand it. I'm gonna be honest, I wasn't real big on it myself, because I was just one of those pure developers who's gonna continue to write their code and create their website with a code, because I'm a coder. That's what I do. I'm not gonna use a platform to do that when I know how to build it myself. At least that's the mindset I had at the beginning, but obviously that changed. All my websites are WordPress websites, and I stand by that product. But back to the original story. Everybody wanted to get WordPress site, and these developers came along. First of all, they helped set up the site. They helped add plugins. If there wasn't any plugins, they can make a killing on adding plugins and functionality that they didn't currently have with social media platforms and all that stuff. And they made a killing throughout the 2000s with the WordPress platform when it came in new, and it really started to take shape or take over the website. I think it's like 25% of all websites are WordPress websites. There's billions or at least millions of websites that are out there, and 25% of them in WordPress. That's a lot of websites. So it was a lot of money to be made, guys. But as I said before, technology keep advancing to the point where the lower end tasks are being automated, or drag and drop, or even a push of a button. Somebody could actually I was uploading a WordPress site the other day for a client, and GoDaddy, and I think Bluehost can do that too. It's a click of a button. You put in a website name, you say if it's got a secure website, URL, all that stuff, and you press save, and it creates the website. I was like, oh crap, this is easy. And I was thinking about it. It's like, if I was a web developer and this is what I did to make money, I would be afraid, especially for the WordPress developers. And they always had the argument that, hey, I can still build custom templates or plugins and stuff, which is good. But even that now, you know, it used to be a pain in the butt to actually implement a plugin. Now they can just go shop it like the App Store, find one, and say yes. And all the apps are being commoditized, so you really can't make a killing off of that unless you have a really specific niche, which again, the higher end web developers are making bank. The high-end web developers or WordPress developers are making bank. I'm talking about the low-end, average ones who don't have the skill set of the higher-end rockstar WordPress developers. Those are the ones who's making the bank. But the other ones on the bottom, no, because of these tools that I'm explaining to you guys. But yes, I was going through, and anything you want as far as just a plugin or template is already pre-built for you. So it's not a lot of code you have to write. It's actually almost a liability now to have a one-off WordPress developer create a plugin and put it on your site, and then life is good. Well, what happens, 3 years from now when you upgrade to a new version of WordPress and it breaks? That developer long gone, or was an intern or something. That's why I always recommend people to go with a reputable software development company or platform or plugin that's going to be around for a while. So that's another reason why you never become a low-end WordPress developer. So I've been a negative Nancy. Let's turn this video around, guys, because I've been really hammering you guys on never become a WordPress developer. You're probably asking now, okay, Rod, what should I do if I don't become a WordPress developer? The key thing is, don't market yourself as just a WordPress developer only. Market yourself as a problem solver that just happen to use WordPress as a platform that you fix. And that's what's gonna really put you in a position to make the most money, to always have a job. A lot of the higher end web developers or WordPress developers are just basically full stack developers. They do all this technical stuff. They limit themselves for the low pay of just being a low end WordPress developer, when they have all these skills to go into any company and be a top tier full stack developer. That's how you should market yourself, guys. You shouldn't market yourself as something that make less money. Market yourself of somebody who have higher skills, who's more rare, that can solve more problems. And this is how you do it. So let's take a step back, guys. So now you know, okay, we're not going to be a WordPress developer. We're going to really start to focus on the problem specifically, and we're just not going to do just the basic drag and drop stuff. We're going to focus on problem solving. What problem should I solve first, Rod? Tell me how to do it. Well, guys, again, WordPress is a content management system. Most people use it for websites now. That's what I use it for. And people want to get data from their websites. They want to see who actually came to their website, statistics, integration with social media. They want to know Google Analytics, the PPC campaigns, all this stuff you can integrate into that WordPress site that people don't talk about. Marketing automation, that's a huge niche that you guys need to get in if you're WordPress developers or a full stack developer or a front end developer that you can make a ton of money in. Marketing automation, your CRM automation, just to name a few projects that's going to really put you in a position to win, guys. So again, a lot of that basic WordPress development stuff has dried up. The bar has been raised, guys. You guys have to put yourself in a position to be more valuable, to command that six-figure salary so that you can live the lifestyle you want to live. Being a basic WordPress developer, you can still do that if you're a rockstar high-end WordPress developer. Yeah, I'm not talking about you rockstar WordPress developers. You guys gonna always make money. I don't know why you're watching this video. And if you're making money, congratulations. Support the channel, by the way. If you're a rockstar WordPress developer, go down and buy some of my products and all that stuff. But I'm talking about the average low-end beginner who just coming in. You guys are going to feel a lot of pain if you don't position yourself to be a successful developer. Solve problems. Really put yourself in a position so that you can write code that's going to help people automate their tasks, do reports, workflow integration. There's so much stuff out there, guys. But again, you're in that mindset of, hey, I just write code. That's all I do. I don't do anything else, which is not the right mindset. AI, machine learning, all that stuff is going to replace your job real soon. Most of you guys can't even get a job, so that should let you know automatically like the bar is being raised. You know, the unemployment rate right now is like 3%. You got people out here want software development jobs. It's got tons of jobs and people don't want to get hired. They won't hire them. Why is that? Your skills is not on par. Get your skills up. Get ready to win. Now, guys. Now. So, let's take action. 7-step guide below. Sign up for it. It really puts you in a position so that you can take your WordPress development skills to the next level and get you that job. Also give you access to our community also, so that you can work with like-minded software developers, work with myself, really put you in a position to win. So like, subscribe to the content. If you have additional questions, comment below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Well, hold on before you leave. Little red button down there, subscribe. Click that thing for me. Click it now. Click it. You haven't clicked it yet. Click it. Okay, you clicked it. All right, a little bell up here. You see the little bell? You see the little bell? Let's click that bell, guys. Click it. All right. So I better have you guys subscribe to this channel. So let me get off of this thing. I'll see you guys in the comment section. Let's start a conversation. If you agree, great. If you disagree, tell me why. Description box. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.